So I have enrolled for that, registered for that, and I attended that program for almost till 2:30 o'clock at night.
Hey Yamini, welcome. Welcome to Platinum Family and welcome to this interview. So I want to know how your life was before joining Platinum and how your life is after joining Platinum.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much to you. Thank you so much to Indu ma'am, Mitesh sir. Big gratitude. And one word, if I'll say for Platinum, Platinum is a big blessing of my life. Before joining Platinum, I was struggling. I was as a health coach, but I was not maintaining my emotional health very well. I was looking like, yes, I'm a health coach, but emotionally, I was completely shattered. Relationship, I was not good with the relationship with my husband, especially. That's why I have joined Platinum, because my married life is about to like ispar hi uspar. Career, I was booming and I was really doing great. But what I actually want to achieve, that targets was not able to achieve that time. And then financial life, I was having debts, I was having loans, and I was having multiple things. When I joined Platinum, first of all, I got introduced on 11th of February 2023 through LOA, and I was thinking ki hai kya. So I have enrolled for that, registered for that, and I attended that program for almost till 2:30 o'clock at night. After that, and at the end, there was an option to join or not join. I have clearly decided that I am going to join. I started my journey with DNP. In 1 month, I have got huge transformation in my own self, where I was, uh, having a lot of guilt, lot of regrets, lot of self doubts. I improved on that, and small results started coming up. Now I can say, health wise, I am really maintaining wonderful health. I'm
Amazing.
exercising every single day, even for 10 minutes. I am really happy.
So glow on your face nowadays.
And I have not gone for facial for last 5 years. Emotional health is really awesome. Means the emotional frequency earlier, it was 5 to 10% positive and 90% was negative. But now I am maintaining 85-90 positive and
Wow.
10%. It must be, because 80-20 rule is always there. Second thing, then I have improved my relationship with my husband. Then I also healed my relationship with my in-laws. Means each and every single module I have get into depth, and I actually started implementing. And every time, every weekend, I work on my own system. I started saving money with 500 only, as you told. So I started with that, and no doubt I actually cleared off my loan, and there is no debts now. I'm living my small daily experiences every single day. I'm emotional purpose is very clear since morning till evening, what I want to experience and what I don't want to experience. Sometimes negative emotion comes, and I'm really comfortable with it. And the best part, I'm actually enjoying being vulnerable sometimes. Earlier, before spending on my own self, and I keep thinking, karu, nahi karu, pachaun paise, kya karu. This was my mentality. But now I'll go and I'll spend, and whenever I'm making any payment, big, small, medium, any payment, I'll say this: go with love, grow with love.
Perfect.
That is the biggest change in my life. And I started means serving unconsciously. Like, I'll give some money to somebody, I'll always pay even 20 rupees, I pay extra 100 rupees, 500 rupees. That is not like, I'm not feeling ki main chota feel kar rahi hu. I'm feeling really abundant, I'm feeling rich every day. Even sometimes account mein nahi hota, but हाँ पता है कि हाँ husband है ना, हो जाएगा कोई नहीं. Now I'm actually using my husband's money very effortlessly, easily. Whenever I need it, I'll ask, transfer kar do, okay, ठीक है. So it is like that. I have already shared that financial life has got really improved. Now, no scarcity mindset is there. Even sometimes negative emotion, some negative situation comes, but I handle it very peacefully and nicely. Firework has given me a lot of confidence ki yes, I can do it. And wherever I am at the best place. Because as you said, no mistakes are there in this universe.
Exactly.
You always said that कुछ भी है, what you are thinking, what you need to be authentic to your higher being first, and go with the clarity. Even if you have to say no courageously. Be authentic to yourself, that what you want. Big gratitude to both of you, because I have been blessed with great mentors since my childhood. And अभी तक जितने भी mentors मुझे मिले हैं, आज भी मैं उन सभी के साथ में कनेक्टेड हूँ, एंड आई नो द वैल्यू ऑफ लर्निंग, एंड द मेन थिंग दैट हाउ मच टाइम यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ, हाउ आप अपने आप को कैसे आंक रहे हैं, आप अपने आप को कंपेयर करना बंद कर चुके हैं, नाउ यू आर लविंग एंड एक्सेप्टिंग एवरी पार्ट ऑफ यू। बिकॉज पहले बहुत ज्यादा क्रिटिसिज्म था, अनकॉन्शियस थॉट्स चलते रहते थे कि सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज कीप थिंकिंग अबाउट अदर्स, but now I have my own existence in my own life, and now I'm following balanced perspective everywhere. Thank you so much, deeply in gratitude, forever indebted to both of you, and love you all. And for audience, those who are thinking कि platinum join करें या ना करें, आप कर लीजिए। सिर्फ 15 मिनट निकाल के ALOA का जो बेसिक प्रिंसिपल है, जो रिचुअल है, आप उससे स्टार्ट करिए, एंड विद इन 1 महीने के अंदर अगर आपकी लाइफ में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ना आए, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मीन अगर शादी हो गई तो उसके बाद शादीशुदा ही कहलाएंगे या डिवोर्स कहलाएंगे, सिंगल नहीं कहलाएंगे। दिस इज द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल विच हैज हैपेंड इन ऑल एरिया ऑफ माय लाइफ, and I'm really balanced now, balancing my yin and yang both beautifully. And the one more thing, I have got very good quality friends, and platinum is a family.